Hello, good morning. This is Room Service Department. This is Corinne speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order for my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am, but before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, may I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Alice Manas from room 402.
Okay, ma'am, if you're ready to order, may I take your order now?
Can I order a continental breakfast, one regular coffee, and one muffin?
Okay, ma'am, I suggest to you our orange juice. It is also under in your continental of breakfast. Would you like me to add it in your breakfast, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am, may I repeat your order? Your order, one regular coffee and one muffin. For your breakfast, I get it. Your order right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, are you paying cash or charge to your room?
Just charge it in my room.
Okay, ma'am, your order will be served in 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. Room service! Room service! Room service! Good morning, ma'am. Are you Irish Manes of room number 203? Yes. Ma'am, where's your room service order? May I come in? By the way, ma'am, I am Corinda Serna, your room service attendant. Excuse me, ma'am, should I leave the food in your tray or do you want me to put it on your table?
Leave it on the table.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, do you want me to open your curtains to brighten up your room?
Yes.
Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
None.
Hey, ma'am, when do you want me to come back to take your soil dishes?
After 1 hour.
Okay, ma'am, if you're ready, just call us and dial 11. Thank you. Enjoy your breakfast and have a nice day.